smell it, I'm sure.
He wants the kitty.
Look at him.
He wants the kitty. Yeah, I'm gonna smell it. I want to see it.
Oh, I don't see it.
I want to see the kitty.
I don't see it.
What are you gonna do?
Oh, I don't see it.
What you gonna do?
His ears are trimmed and white. Look at that.
A big old empty hole up there's what I see.
Just don't squeeze it. Oh, he's so cute. You're holding the baby. He's so cute.
He wants to jump.
There's probably more in there because we got the.
That's what I'm saying. You can see it where the big old hole where it's in.
Look.
See, I want to smell it. Ooh, careful. Look at Coco. He wants a baby.
Good thing we didn't burn it the other day when I wanted to after it rained.
Yeah.
Can we take it in the house? Can we take it inside the house? Can we take it in the house?
Yeah, I know.
Put it back.
Lay it right back there at the hole. The cat smells the cat. Either really pick it up and take it somewhere or it'll abandon it.
He probably abandoned it. Maybe took the other ones and. He's so cute. He's so cute. He's so
Calling
cute.
for help.
Aww. Calling for help, ain't he?
He wants to jump.
He wants to jump.
He says, what is that? What is that?
What is that?
Coco said, what is that kitty doing in your arms?
Yeah, what is that kitty doing in your arms? See, Coco wants to hold him too. See, what is that kid doing in your arms?
Can I hold him a minute? No.
Hold him a minute without squeezing it.
Hold him out easy.
Look, he's nice.
Wait, it's falling.
Wait a minute. Let me help you hold it. You put both hands. Put both hands down. Put both hands down.
He likes it.
Well,
Hold it. Nah. He got hurt a lot. He's
Got
hungry.
No, it ain't gonna hurt you. It won't hurt you. You're big in the water. Look how wet he is.
Put him on my hand.
You want to hold it now?
No.
Look, Kira, hold it. Or her. It's a little girl.
it's a little baby girl. See, Coco wants to.
Ooh.
Coco,
Beat
don't
it,
do
you
that.
see?
Careful, Coco. Don't be rough on the baby.
He would
Yeah.
kill it, I bet you.
He said, what's that
That's the
doing
nature of
in
the
your
dog.
arms?
to Kill a
He
cat.
said, what's that doing on your arms?
What are you eating, Coco? What are you eating?
I got some kitty hair.
Y'all got a big motor on.
I know it. I propped them up.
One plant.
What? Oh, got stuck on Kira. See, I got stuck on Kira. Don't, Coco, don't bite, Coco. Coco, don't bite him. Coco, don't bite him.
That's what he wants. Let me hold you. Yeah. That's what he wants. He wants me to hold him.
That's what he wants.
Okay?
See, where's my mama? Where's my mama?
Get y'all some food.
I think he wants some of that food. See this?
I thought you had a snake.
Maybe Coco will smell it.
Kira, we put it back where we found him. Put it back in there.
Maybe right there. Maybe right there it's gonna be fine. It's gonna like it.
So go back in there. Maybe Mama Kitty will come and get him. Said no, I want out. Meow.
Maybe he's gonna stay out.
Yeah,
It's like, get me back. Get me back.
yeah, he's hungry probably.
Here, go up in there. Go on up in there. Watch him try and come right back
Look,
out.
he's gonna come back out. Look, see? He don't want in there. She don't want to go get in there. Look, she's coming out. Oh. Meow.
Where's the mosquitoes?
Okay. Okay, you gotta stay, baby.
I think he wants to come out.
I know. Meow. Meow. Meow.
I think he will come and get him
Aw.
outside.
We found a baby. We found a baby kitty.